Q7, I've pressure washed this whole engine, and I'm gonna go behind it and kind of check my usual suspects. But this is the oil filter cup. The transmission is dry. I don't see anything leaking down there. And honestly, I think I found the leak under the car. I washed the car. I've driven it 16 miles, something like that. There's a lot of water, but I can already see a droplet of oil on the ground. See it? It's not the drain plug. I replaced it. It's not the transmission. This one stayed dry. It's not coming from the top of the trans either. It's actually coming from... There it is. I hope you caught that drip. In between the engine and the trans, that's a rear main seal. That's a really, really big job. There it is. It's just dripping. Yeah. Unless it's this timing cover, the main one, but to reseal that one you got to drop the engine or the trans, and in this case they both have to be dropped. I'm not liking what I'm seeing. It's all clean up there, but it's definitely coming from down here. We'll look on the other side as well if we can get in there. That's all dry too. So wherever this is coming from, it's making its way from between the engine and the trans, and that's the black oil. That's old residual, but I can see it there. That's all fresh oil. Yep. Not good.